In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bubble in Life 360. First, open the Life 360 app on your smartphone. You will see a map displaying your current location along with your circle members. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for all the actions you will take next. By starting with the app open, you ensure that you have access to the latest information regarding your location and the locations of those in your circle. You might notice the map is interactive, letting you zoom in and out. This functionality will help you visualize where you are relative to your circle members. Once you have the app open, we can proceed to the next step. Next, tap your profile picture, which is commonly referred to as your avatar, on the map. This action will take you to your profile settings where you can manage various aspects of your Life 360 experience. Your profile picture is typically located in the top corner of the screen, making it easy to access. Tapping here allows you to make changes that affect your visibility and privacy within the app. This is an important step because it leads you to the feature that allows you to create a bubble, which helps you control who can see your location. Once you've tapped on your profile picture, let's move on to creating the bubble. Now tap on the option labeled Create a Bubble. This will bring up options related to the bubble feature, where you can customize your settings. Selecting this option is essential because it opens the door to new privacy controls. You will see a new screen that presents you with the bubble creation tools. This feature is designed to enhance your experience by allowing you to temporarily hide your exact location while still providing a rough estimate to your circle. This is especially useful if you want to maintain some privacy while still being part of your circle. With that option selected, we can proceed to set the size of your bubble. After that, drag the slider to choose the bubble size, which can be set up to 25 miles or 40 kilometers. This step allows you to define the radius of the area in which your location will be obscured. As you move the slider, you will notice that the map provides a visual representation of the bubble size. This is a key feature because it gives you flexibility and control over your privacy. You can make the bubble as large or small as you need, depending on your situation. Once you have set the desired size, you will be ready to activate the bubble. At this point, it's worth noting that while the bubble is active, your circle will only see your approximate location. This is an important consideration because it helps you to manage your visibility effectively. Your circle members will not be able to pinpoint your exact location, which can be comforting in certain situations. Once you've set everything up, you can feel confident that your privacy preferences are in place. This ensures that your changes are saved and you can enjoy a more secure experience within the app. Now that you have successfully created the bubble, you can return to the map and see how it looks. You will likely feel a sense of reassurance knowing that you have control over your location visibility. This feature enhances your ability to interact with your circle while maintaining some level of privacy. With everything set up, you are now ready to use Life 360 with added peace of mind. Thank you for following along. Enjoy using Life 360 with your new bubble feature.